The Master's Program for Human-Computer Interaction is a joint offer, a joint degree program between FH Salzburg and University of Salzburg, and we do focus on the intersection and the interplay between humans and technology. So as it's a joint degree program between two universities, you kind of get the best of both worlds. So you do get a very practical, hands-on experience with a lot of industry connections, but at the same time, we try to facilitate a solid theoretical and research-driven perspective. Also, our curriculum is based on these two pillars, so on an industry pillar and a research pillar, with courses and supervision targeting both areas.
In the courses, we cover topics like interaction design, user experience design, human factors and engineering, and they gain a lot of hands-on experiences of building prototypes, digital or physical ones.
So here in the lab you can work on all of your concepts, ideas, make prototypes, be them physical or in 2D. We have 3D printers, all sorts of cloths and sewing materials.
Our students come from a very diverse set of backgrounds, which is especially relevant for the group projects, where a group might consist of computer science, psychology students, sociology students, but also designers. And through that broad perspective, through that broad skill set that they bring in, they can do much bigger and much better projects.
Yeah, so one of the things I like the most about the degree is the international community itself. The classes are very mixed. You have people from all over the planet. This joint master's has been an amazing opportunity for me, not just academically, but personally as well. The teachers are all very supportive. The projects are all very interesting and industry relevant.
Our students who graduate from the HCI program have very good career prospects, working in different fields on user experience related topics, working as interaction designers or researchers in that field, for instance.
So the HCI master program is a very interdisciplinary and international environment where the students have the opportunity to really engage in their own interests and find their own path through the courses.
Salzburg is also an amazing city to live in. It's a smaller city, but very easy to get around to. You've got the beautiful nature, all the mountains surrounding the city, a lot of cultural propositions for you to get out and have some fun.